Here's a beautiful Chevy just in, Unique Specialty and Classics. It is now available to purchase. This particular one, 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, street rod version. Been very nicely built. This one is powered by a 5.7 liter Chevy V8 underneath the hood. That's paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, so you got overdrive. Also underneath the hood, power steering and air conditioning, as well as power brakes. As far as brakes, it's also disc at all four corners. So this is a setup to drive. Nice build, made to be driven. As you can see, the bright work, chrome, everything in the front, very nice shape. Paint on this truck is also nice shape. Was actually built locally here by a gentleman that we sold a few other vehicles for, and he enjoys building them, driving for a while, and I'll turn around and move them and on to the next one. This does have adjustable coilovers, all four corners. As you can see, it's also riding on American Racing polished wheels. This is an all steel body also, so there's steel fenders, running boards. If you'd like to check out the underside of this, the engine bay interior, so you can check out the build, go ahead, take a look below this video in the description. There's a link that'll take you straight to our website, which is uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have. Come around and take a look at the box of it. Nicely done spray in bed liner on there. Does have the cloth bent seat with armrests up front. Some other nice touches on the interior. When I get around to them, I'll show you the gauges and stereo and everything in there. One other thing I thought was pretty cool in this, how he has this set up for the tailgate lock. You can actually pull these out, turn it. That one will be unlocked. Come down to this one, pull it out, turn it, half a turn, it's unlocked. Look at that, how nicely that works. Some neat, nice little things done to this build. See the gas fill in the rear, gas tank located at the rear of the truck. Again, check out the still pictures, take a look underneath this one, you're gonna see how nice it's built. Check out the engine bay, interior. uniqueclassiccars.com, or take a look down below in the description underneath this video. You're going to see a link that'll take you there. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. And of course, we do have financing available for these. We can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at, and we will consider trades. Look at how nice this door fits. Nice reflection out of the paint. Nice glossy finish to it. It'll be a fun truck to enjoy, whether it be your local shows, cruise-ins. Just want to have some fun in. All right, now as far as the dash, you see we got tilt steering. There is a Sony multimedia stereo system in this. I have not had that powered up though. I didn't really play around with that a whole lot. It does have digital gauges. Go ahead and start this up too so you can hear it run and see this. See how easy that 5.7 liter fires up. Kind of cool. I mean, your basics as far as how it's finished off on the inside with the door cards and stuff, but that gives it that cool 1950s pickup look. And then you take a look at the nice plush cloth seats with a fold down armrest. And then take a look at the dash. I mean, pretty cool how they finished this truck. As you can see, gauges work. 3,518 miles, and I believe that's since this was built. RPMs, oil pressure, water temp, fuel, volts, everything appears to work. Like I said, I've not had that stereo powered up. I've not played around with it much either. There's your controls for AC. Of course, dash, rest of the stuff looks stock. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back of this and hear it, how it sounds. Nice little rumble. Nothing too crazy, but want a little rumble out of to come up here to the front and pop this hood. Let's take a look at the engine bay and see that engine running there, listen to it, see how everything's finished off. Alright, nice and tidy under here. Aluminum radiator, CAC power steering, headers, a little later 5.7 liter. As you can see, the heater hoses have not been plumbed up in there, but AC is hooked up. Electric fan with thermostat. Nice and neat under there. 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, street rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the link in the description down below this video. Click on that, take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still picture of this. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation to where you're located at. And of course, we do consider trades. Look forward to hearing from you.